Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make landing gear in SolidWorks. We will begin by outlining the critical design considerations for your landing gear assembly. Then, we will dive into creating the foundational two-dimensional sketches, ensuring precise dimensions and relationships. You will learn to utilize powerful SolidWorks tools to transform these sketches into three-dimensional models, building each component step by step. Finally, we will bring all the individual parts together into a complete and functional landing gear system. Let's start by sketching the primary components. First, establish a new sketch on the front plane for your main strut. Carefully define its overall length, perhaps around 200 millimeters, and a diameter of 25 millimeters. Employ geometric relations like tangency and concentricity to ensure your sketch is fully defined and robust. Remember to create distinct sketches for the wheel axle and the shock absorber housing, maintaining clear separation for easier feature application later on. Now, let's bring our sketches to life with extrusion. Select your main strut sketch and extrude it to a depth of, say, 150 millimeters, creating the primary body. Enhance the design by adding fillets to sharp edges, perhaps with a radius of 3 millimeters, to reduce stress concentrations. Use the hole wizard for accurate mounting holes, specifying standard sizes like M8. Don't forget to incorporate cut features for any internal components or to optimize the part's weight. Finally, we assemble our landing gear. Begin by inserting all your individual parts into a new SolidWorks assembly document. Use standard mates like concentric for shafts and holes and coincident for mating faces to position components accurately. For realistic movement, consider advanced mates such as limit distance for the shock absorber, allowing a travel of 25 millimeters. Conclude by performing a simple motion study to visualize the full retraction and extension cycle of your landing gear, ensuring all parts move as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.